If I ask you, what is the definition of accountancy? Can you recall that? In this video, you are going to learn the fundamentals of accounting. If I tell you, are you aware what the real problem is? Most of the peoples are trying to become someone whom they are not aware what that someone is. I want to be an accountant, but I don't know what accountancy is. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Deepak Nagpal. I'm a chartered accountant. Let's understand what is accounting. Let us try to recall the definition of accountancy. Accountancy is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing what. हमें रिकॉर्ड करना है, क्लासीफाई करना है, समराइज करना है, लेकिन किसको करना है? Now from here onwards it is what economic events and transactions we have to record, we have to classify, we have to summarize economic events and transactions which are occurring in a business world. And thereafter, अब इनको रिकॉर्ड करके करेंगे क्या? What we will do? Then we will summarize and create something which is called interpreting results thereof. ये जितनी इकोनॉमिक इवेंट्स ट्रांजैक्शंस थ्रू आउट ए पीरियड होते हैं उनको रिकॉर्ड किया, उनको क्लासीफाई किया, उनको समराइज किया एंड इंटरप्रेट किया उनके रिजल्ट्स को, जो भी रिजल्टेंट निकला इन सबको रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद, क्लासीफाई करने के बाद, समराइज करने के बाद इनको इंटरप्रेट करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, मींस फाइनल अकाउंट्स, यानी कि बैलेंस शीट एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. तो यहाँ पे अकाउंटेंसी को अगर इस डेफिनेशन को समझा जाए तो ये दो पार्ट्स में है. सबसे पहले ये कहता है अकाउंटेंसी इज़ एन आर्ट. आर्ट है तो किस तरीके की आर्ट है? रिकॉर्ड करने की आर्ट है, क्लासीफाई करने की आर्ट है, समराइज करने की आर्ट है. और उसके बाद जब ये काम कर लिए देन वी हैव टू इंटरप्रेट रिजल्ट्स देयर ऑफ. तो इंटरप्रिटेशन का क्या मीनिंग होता है? व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेशन? इंटरप्रिटेशन इज when you translate something which has happened in one language to another language. That is called interpretation. As and when things are happening, things are ongoing, we have to translate them. So initially we use the language of accountancy. In that language of accountancy we recorded, we classified and we summarized what economic events and transaction. कैसी इकोनॉमिक इवेंट्स एंड ट्रांजैक्शन? जिनकी कोई फाइनेंशियल करेक्टर हो. अब उनको हमने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. बट कैन एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड दिस लैंग्वेज? नो. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू इंटरप्रेट इट in the form of financial statements. For whom? For the businessman, for other stakeholders like government who has to collect taxes. So the crux is accountancy is art as well as a language. So when you are trying to become an accountant or you are an accountant, so you have to be proficient in that art, in that art of recording, in that art of classifying, in that art of summarizing. And after that you have to be the master of that particular language of accounting, because you ultimately these financial statements are to be used by business people, businessman, the business owner, and by the government. So when you translate it into their language, that is the language of the business, it means you are supposed to know the language of accountancy as well as the language of business. So that is why it is called that accountancy is art as well as it's a language. And if we have to become an accountant, so we need to practice this art on regular basis, and we need to understand the language of accountancy as well as the language of business to become perfect accountants. In case this video is making any sense for you and you feel that in an interesting manner there was an understanding about the accountancy, come and join my private VIP face group with the name of Accountants Hub. The link for same is given in the comment box. Go there, click that link and join my group. Thank you so much for giving your attention. Thank you.